Wild DEXT Force Ventures. This is our second AMA with Void. Can you introduce yourself again?
Hey guys, my name is Romel. I'm the nerd and the gamer and the founder and the CEO of Void. Yeah, real quick background. I have a background in computer science. Got introduced to crypto just a couple of, not even too long ago, to be honest with you guys. And far away from a crypto expert.
Awesome. If you guys haven't watched the first AMA, I urge you guys to go. There's a ton of information that we covered. But for anybody who hasn't, can you go over Void and what you guys are hoping to achieve again?
Yes. Yeah. Well, Void is a play-to-earn game, especially designed for gamers. It's a desktop game. It's built on Unreal Engine 5 and will run on Solana. It's a multiplayer game. It has PvP and PvE content, and it has a huge focus on character customization. Basically, most of the items you will find in the game are NFTs, and you can equip them onto your characters to look different and stand out. And yeah, if you like, you can trade those items you will find in the in-game marketplace as well.
Awesome. Looking forward to it. So we've never seen a Green Day listing before. What were some of the criteria or some of the metrics you guys were looking for? And today is the day. Why was today picked? What was, what did you guys see and why did you pick today?
Yes, well, we decided to, list on a green day. And we made the announcement yesterday that we will look every morning. And yeah, it was like mixed feelings and opinions about the decision that we were doing. It's something nobody has done before. And maybe we inspire other people to do the same thing, because we realized in talking after with investors and the advisors and the partners, and we discussed this and thought about this a lot and thought like, hey, is it really a good idea, or should we give them a date? We figured like, hey, if we set a date and the market is really awful, and then to postpone or delay listing again, it will be really killer for the project. So we decided to have a dynamic listing, and yesterday was red for sure, and today it was like looking at the market, it was like definitely green. It was like even like maybe green-ish, right? But so we decided like, hey, let's do it today because we promised. But to be honest, if it was on us, we would have waited a little bit longer before we list. But this is what the community wants. Many people are getting impatient and like, they weren't like even sure anymore what was going on. So here we are, and giving the community what we give back to the community.
Well, so far it's been a successful launch, definitely a unique approach. So maybe some projects take it like that. I know the market's always changing. And that brings me to the next question. With markets always changing, pushing back the TG has been normal. Also, we've seen a lot of change in vesting schedules. Have you guys considered of changing the vesting for investors and projects or early supporters that have supported you? Or are those vesting terms going to be the same? So like the schedule.
Yeah, as like I said, I'm not a crypto expert, and I really when my partners or the team talk about the vesting and stuff, I like kind of get it or try to understand it. It's like, I don't really, to be honest, I don't get it 100%. But I do get it, but it's really hard
I respect
explain
it. You're being honest, and you're leaving that stuff to the experts.
Yes, that's
okay.
Yeah, but since we announced like how vesting is going to be, we haven't changed that at all. That's what I know.
Okay, awesome. So I know you guys have been asked this a million times, probably a ton today as well, because you guys just launched. Are you still planning on launching on a centralized exchange? Is it going to be a top 5 exchange? Can you share any details about when, where, or is that private?
Yes. Well, that's a good question, because there were reasons why we had to delay. It's not only because of the market situation, it was always also because we were waiting for a centralized exchange to get listed on. And we were not allowed to name or say a name, but now since we are listing, we have been in talks with KuCoin. They confirmed us actually on Telegram and said that they will list us, and if and when we're going to list, they will tell us 7 days before, so everybody can get ready. But they haven't sent us the paperwork, so we haven't signed anything, and haven't heard from them since, to be honest. Well,
They're probably
so
launch, and you guys have launched now, and maybe they'll touch back with you guys. But that's awesome. KuCoin's a solid exchange, and hopefully that does work out. Are you guys still on track to launching the static game and the beta this year? Any information you guys can share with that?
Yeah, we pretty much progressed, in developing the mini game. It is we have a short teaser and trailer on how the game looks like on our Twitter. You should definitely check that out. We are on track. We will release the mini game this year, so you can start earning, leveling up your character, and even stake your arenas. So you don't have to wait until the final game to do that. But it's not comparable to the final game. And beta, yeah, we're working on the game. We will see how far we can get and how fast. But the plan is definitely by end of this year to get the first touch and on the game.
Well, you mentioned staking NFTs, and our community was wondering, are you guys going to implement any sort of utility for the NFTs or for the coin right after TGE? So are people able to maybe stake their arenas, or rent their arenas, or stake some sort of NFTs for more in-game rewards before any of the games roll out? Or do you guys still plan on working on some of these rewards?
Yeah, well, definitely we are figuring out which utilities we can add on the NFTs. But for everyone, what we can tell you now is that we have a Genesis NFT to give away, or we rewarding everybody who was investing on TGE as well with the Genesis NFT. It provides you awesome perks and benefits. You will get, like, depending on, there's different tiers, and it depends which tier you're in, depending on how much you invest in Void. So the minimum would be to get a Void token. A Genesis NFT is to get $200 worth of Void token, and you have to hold it for at least 100 days. So what you can do is, if you get the Genesis NFT and maybe the highest tier, you will be able to play the beta before everybody else. You get discounts to the NFT marketplace. You get pre-access. You will get a free base character. You will get free Genesis weapon only for Genesis holders, and you will get, depending on the tier, you will get an arena which is worth $30,000 at least. And you should definitely check out our website on the Genesis for all the infos on on the perks and benefits. Definitely, we'll be rewarding people who come in early and invest. So it's gonna be great for sure.
Sounds like a ton. Definitely will check out the website, and I urge everybody to go and check it out as well, especially those arenas. You can make passive income when you guys launch with, renting them out and things like that. Do you guys have any current use cases for, things that can go down in the arena? Maybe like a casino or a PvP? Is it just going to be like PvP style?
Well, yeah, I always refer the arena to a casino, actually, because tournaments are held in the casino. Users or players buy in, and they will receive a reward when they win, and and the arena also gets a cut. That is the main plan. And we always open to new things and ideas, but we're just trying to finish the game as planned, and add on some more stuff as we progress, because we're not done after this. This is just season 1, if so, and the plan is to do 3 more other seasons to release new NFTs, new weapons, and a completely new look even.
Wow, so it's probably super important to get the Genesis NFT, and if not, hold the $200 in Void for the 100 days. Awesome. So you guys just launched on the Solana network, and your NFTs are launching on the Solana network, I'm assuming. Are you guys going to do multi-chain? Are you planning on any other chains right now?
The thing is, we're planning to stay on Solana for now.
Okay.
We don't know what about the future. If so, we will have our own marketplace, but if everything works out, we have awesome partnerships coming up, and we might be purchasing. You might be able to purchase it on different platforms as well, and we have cool stuff coming up. Definitely, I don't want to spoil everything yet, because unless it's set in stone, you know,
Yeah.
unless everything is done, I don't want to make promises.
I
But
was
there's
gonna ask,
awesome,
what are
really
the
good stuff coming up, man.
but
There's good stuff coming up for
yeah,
sure, for sure.
that's
We
important.
have talks about being on a metaverse as well, on the platform. Um, yeah, there's some good stuff coming up too,
So I
for
saw
sure.
the awesome video on the Twitter, the Void video, like 7 reasons to join Void. Can you sum up the 7 reasons and give us those reasons?
Oh, hey, to be honest, it's been a while since I've looked at the video. To be honest, I just need to look at it again right now.
Definitely.
But yeah, but there's many ways to earn. Definitely, you know,
Maybe the different
you
ways to
should
earn.
just check out the video. Just
Yeah.
check out the video.
Oh, definitely. I mean, it's an awesome video. So with the dip in the market, um, do you still think play to earn in the metaverse narrative is still strong? When do you think like play to earn games will be like the sole type of games we play? Will they take over traditional games, or what do you see there?
That is a tough question, you know. I think if that will happen, that NFT games will take over traditional game, it will take a few years, a lot, a long time for sure. It needs to be accepted. People need to be educated,
Yeah.
and you know, everything that is new is like sometimes like, oh no, I don't want to, or like, you know, unless everybody hops on it, and at one point it just shifts. Because I mean, I feel like, yeah, because it makes sense. People are spending money on cosmetics and items already, you know, and they don't even own it, and then a new game releases, and then what? Yeah, you just spent the money for nothing. So I think that is the future, definitely. And yeah, it takes time. Even though there is a dip in the market right now, but that is actually more token and coin based, I would say.
Yeah. Yeah.
But speaking about, if you look at the NFT market, it's still booming, and it doesn't matter actually really on how uh the market is performing right now. That's my opinion. So I feel like if there's other projects launched in NFT projects, but what we're doing now, we're launching our token, so we actually had to wait for a green market.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
but if it would be NFT releases, we could have done it any time, but we just wanted to get listed first, of course.
Definitely. No, it definitely makes sense. So how does Void plan to stay ahead of the competition with the excessive launch of different games and metaverses? It's kind of crazy with everything coming out. What does Void plan on doing to stay ahead of in the competition?
Yeah, well, we have different features in the game. I mean, if you look at the games coming out right now, or the games which are out right now, it differs a lot from the games coming out in the future. You know, everybody just really wanted to jump on the hype train right now, and could make a quick buck on this hype. Our game needs a little bit more time to finish, and it's definitely gonna be, I think this is for the gamers, you know, not for the casual gamer who is standing on the bus stop waiting for, and then play like the swipe left, right. You know what I mean? You have to basically like really sit down and you get
Yeah.
into it. And once you acquire skill, and then you know, if you're a gamer, you get addicted to an awesome game, and you just keep playing and playing and playing. And then if you earn on the side, you know, that makes you even want to play more. So the main focus of this game is just really awesome gameplay, and fun, you know. And it's not really about the earning part, which is just the incentive, you know.
Yeah.
So I think that differentiates us from other games, because most of the games are really like, hey, okay, you can earn, but it's like, hey, this is an awesome game, and we will make it very accessible to the public and to the ones who are not into crypto. And with just a few clicks, you can start playing the game. It will be super cheap. It's like, you know, if you want to start, you don't have to buy or invest hundreds of
Yeah.
dollars to do it. You can buy one base character, which we defined is $9, and you can start playing. You know, and with just in a simple click, you can start playing. We set up your wallet automatically. You don't even have to worry about that. So it will be super simple. And one cool feature aside from earning is that you can, if you want, you can go into arenas with your character and watch other people play. Just like on Twitch, you know, you hop on, you don't need to leave the platform anymore. You just stay in game, and then you just watch people play. I think that's pretty cool.
Definitely. As a gamer, I love to watch people play, and you can spend hours doing that as well. And you know, with these
Mm.
games, I could completely agree with you. They're not fun, and it's more kind of focused on the earn instead of the play. So when you get a game that can deliver, it's fun, and you can like build the skill and, you know, play with your friends and things like that, or just battle your friends. I can see those really taking off. So I don't want to take up too much of your time because it is launch day. The Green Day is today. You probably have thousands of things to do.
Uh,
I do appreciate your time. Is there anything you want to share before we head out?
yeah, it's been a rough ride. It's been up and downs in this project. I don't even know where it's heading right now. We had some difficulties during the launch, and
Yeah.
it's tough. And I just wanted to say, actually, I appreciate everybody who has still, believes in the project or is still supporting us. I feel like every single person counts, even if I do have AMAs and just whatever. It's just two people there. I love it. I feel I give 100% any, if there's 1,000 people there or if it's just 3. I appreciate everyone, and I feel like, hey, cool. They're here. They could be somewhere else, and yeah, just really appreciating the support. And we got good stuff coming up, so you should definitely stay tuned. Awesome partnerships, cool, amazing announcements, new character to show you, and we are not lazy. We are developing. We are keeping. Yeah, we're busy. We are busy.
Awesome. Thank you for your time. We can't wait to cover all of it. And I can't wait to play the game. So thanks and enjoy the rest of the day.